So dear students, so this is the third part of heterocyclic compounds. Mainly in this session, I am going to discuss about aromaticity, electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. So already in the last two sessions, we have learned about all the basic aspects of heterocyclic compounds. So all the 5-membered heterocycles are aromatic in character. The heteroatom and remaining 4 carbon atoms in the ring, they are all sp2 hybridized, and unshared pair of electron present on the heteroatom get involved in the aromatic sextet or delocalization and obey the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, that is Haeckel's rule. Hence they are supposed to be aromatic. Let us we shall discuss the individual heterocyclic member about the aromaticity character. You just see the pyrrole, it is consisting of 4 carbon atoms. Here we will find the 1 carbon atom, here is also 1 carbon, here is also 1 carbon atom, here is also 1 carbon atom. This is the heteroatom it is. So all these atoms in the ring, they are all sp2 hybridized and planar in structure. They are planar in structure. So sp2 hybridization is planar. Every ring atom is consisting of unused p orbital. Every each 4 carbon atoms are consisting of unused p orbital with a single electron. However, nitrogen atom is consisting of unhybridized p orbital with a unshared pair of electrons, lone pair of electrons. So these non-bonding electrons, they get involved in the continuous overlapping like this. They get involved in the continuous overlapping above and below the plane of the ring. So this kind of process is called delocalization. The electron movements are being taking place. Delocalization is involved. This delocalization creates all the 6 electrons are being participate in the delocalization process. Each 4 electrons from the carbon atoms, 4 carbon atoms, and 2 electrons from the nitrogen. So totally 6 electrons. That's why it is going to satisfy Haeckel's rule. There are 6 electrons where we can write the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. 4n plus 2 pi electron system. When n is equal to 1, you will find the 6 pi electrons. So any system, if it is going to satisfy Haeckel's rule, the n is equal to 0, 2 pi electrons, n is equal to 1, 6 pi electrons, n is equal to 2, 10 electrons, so on. But however, all these 5-membered heterocycles, they are going to obey the Haeckel's rule. Hence, this pyrrole is supposed to be called as the aromatic in character. Okay, similarly, you can see the furan. The furan is also aromatic in character. Only the heteroatom is different. There is no difference between the pyrrole and furan. Only heteroatom is different. Here also you will find the each carbon atom is consisting of unused p orbital with a single electron, but heteroatom oxygen is consisting of lone pair of electrons. So these are get involved in the delocalization process. Okay, above and below the plane, they could create a pi electron cloud. It means all 6 electrons get involved in the delocalization. They could satisfy 4n plus 2 pi electron system or Haeckel's rule, and the 6 electrons are participating, just what we have seen in the previous slide. Here 4n plus 2 pi, n is equal to 1. Okay, when you go through the energy level diagram, you will find what is the value of n. So it means the first 2 electrons will occupy in the ground state. Next comes to energy level, that is n is equal to 1, and then you will find that all electrons are participating in the ground state itself. So based on that, it could be given when n is equal to 1, totally will find 6 pi electrons. Hence, it is supposed to be called aromatic. Similarly, same furans is also there. Then you go to thiophene. There is no much difference at all, whether it is the furan, thiophene, or the pyrrole. All these are 5-membered heterocycles. 4 carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, and the heteroatom is having lone pair of electrons. They get involved in the aromatic sextet. They could satisfy the 4n plus 2 pi electron system, and they're all aromatic in character. When you compare the reactivity and aromaticity character, the thiophene is more aromatic than other 3 heterocycles, but whereas reactivity is very less. So therefore, when it go to the system, the pyrrole is more reactive. Pyrrole is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction than furan, thiophene, and benzene. Thiophene is most aromatic in character, and it undergoes the slowest reaction. Pyrrole and furan react under very mild conditions. Okay, generally we'll find it is an alpha substitution, it is a beta substitution. The 2 substitutions are favored for these 5-membered heterocycles. You should remember the aromaticity character is in the reverse order. Benzene is more aromatic than thiophene, than furan and pyrrole. But order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution, the pyrrole is more reactive than furan, thiophene, and benzene. Already we have discussed about all these things in the last session, that is in the part 2 itself. Okay, you can see this, all the important factors. The order of aromaticity, furan is very less compared to pyrrole, thiophene, and the benzene. The resonance energy, when you count for this, furan is hardly about 16 kilocalories per mole. It is 22 kilocalories per mole, 29 kilocalories, and here 36 kilocalories per mole. So these two almost they are nearer to each other. So thiophene is more stable, highly aromatic in character. Benzene is also more stable, highly aromatic. But in fact, the pyrrole is, of course, more aromatic than the furan. This could depends upon order of electronegativity character. Both the nitrogen, oxygen, they are belonging to same period. Across the period, electronegativity character increases. So nitrogen has less electronegativity character compared to oxygen. So when oxygen is being more electronegative, instead of delocalization process, localization of electrons could be taking place because it is having greater electron withdrawing capacity. Instead of undergoing delocalization process, the electrons will get pulled towards oxygen atom. So therefore, localization is more possible rather than the delocalization. That's why it shows less aromaticity as compared to that of the pyrrole. So here you can see the more electronegative is the atom, the more tightly holds its lone pair of electrons. It means all are get pulling towards the highly electronegative atom. That would more reduce the ease of delocalization. When ease of delocalization is very less, we can say that it is less aromatic. So most electronegative oxygen atom in the furan would decrease the aromaticity. The least electronegative sulfur atom in the thiophene would increases the aromaticity character. Okay, least electronegative sulfur in the thiophene would increase the aromatic, but in fact here typographical error is there. You can make it correction. It would increase the aromaticity character. Therefore, the thiophene is more aromatic than the pyrrole to that of the furan. This is the decreasing order of the aromaticity. Even resonance energy is also supported here. One more important factor to explain why thiophene is much more aromatic rather than the furan and pyrrole. When you go to the resonating structures, apart from resonating structures, 5 resonating structures of the thiophene, the one more additional factor is thiophene in which a sulfur atom belonging to second period of the series. That means d orbitals get involved. This d orbital in the sulfur atom they are empty. These empty d orbitals are also going to be used in the hybridization to expand its valence shell. So instead of 6 electrons in the 5 orbitals, they could make a complete aromatic sextet. Thiophene, by using sp2 hybrid orbitals, can have 6 electrons. You can see the resonating structures. These are additional type of the resonating structures. Okay. So these are the electrons get involved by the sp2 hybrid orbitals. Thiophene, by using sp2 hybrid orbitals, can have 6 electron in the 6 orbitals. Here you can see the movement of electrons where the sulfur is concentrated by a negative charge. So according to valence bond theory, these compounds may be considered to be resonance hybrid structures of the sulfur, where heteroatomy is canonical forms where we are represented here, which imply to use the d orbitals must be also be considered. So because of this reason, the thiophene is much more aromatic and it is highly aromatic in character. So least electronegative sulfur in the thiophene would increase the aromaticity, not it is a decrease, it is increase the aromaticity character. These points are very, very important to explain the comparative study of aromatic character of the 5-membered heterocycles with respect to benzene. Now we shall move towards electrophilic substitution reactions of these 5-membered heterocycles. During electrophilic substitution reaction, electrophile would preferably attacking towards second position rather than third position. Here both are being represented. When electrophile could attack at the second position, here you will find 3 resonating structures of a carbocation. Already we have studied electrophilic substitution reactions of the benzene. According to mechanism, when electrophile approaches the pi cloud of the nucleus, it get attacked and it is resulting in the formation of a sigma complex, or we can say that a carbocation species. So this cation is going to be involved here. Electrophilic aromatic of these 5-membered heterocycles reveals that preferably they undergo substitution at 2 position rather than the 3 position. So when attack of electrophile is taking place at second position, you will find 3 resonating structures. Here you will find only 2 resonating structures. And moreover, this particular structure, resonance hybrid of this cation, reveals that positive charge is on the heteroatom and remaining all atoms in this particular structure would satisfy octet system. It is becoming more stable, and that's why electrophilic attack is more preferred towards the second position rather than the third position. Here you will find only 2 resonating structures, you cannot explain it. So therefore it is minor type of the product where it is a major product. The question generally they will ask in the examination, why the 5-membered heterocycles they prefer to undergo electrophilic substitution at 2 position rather than the 3 position. Even if you see the energy profile diagram, here you will find that when electrophilic attack is at the 2nd position, it is going to form a more stable intermediate. This is a more stable intermediate and having lower energy, potential energy. But however, when it is going to taking place at C3, it is highly unstable intermediate, and energy profile diagram that indicates that very high energy factor it is. Lower the energy, more stable; higher energy, less stable. So this explains that why the electrophilic attack is more preferable towards the C2 position rather than the C3 position. And even it could explain 5-membered heterocyclic compounds are more reactive than benzene. The rate studies reveals that degree of reactivity is determined more by electron availability than degree of aromaticity and the order of reactivity towards electrophiles. N-methyl pyrrole is much more reactive than pyrrole, furan, thiophene, and benzene. It means when electron donating group is present on the ring, it goes on increases electron density on the nucleus, and then it makes the ring becomes more reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Already you have studied about orientation of the benzene. When you compare phenol, that is OH group on the benzene nucleus, and nitrobenzene, NO2 group on the benzene nucleus, the phenol is much more reactive than nitrobenzene because OH is electron donating. Same explanation it is. Methyl group is electron donating, increases the reactivity of pyrrole as compared to simple pyrrole, furan, thiophene, and benzene. Electron density on benzene carbons is lesser than that on the 5-membered heterocyclic ring carbons. Okay, so this could explain about the why the 5-membered heterocycles are reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so this is a explanation towards electrophilic substitution in case of the pyrrole only. These are resonating structures of the pyrrole. Here you will find there is increased electron density at the 2nd position, and the 4th position, 3rd position, and the 5th position here. Okay, 2, 5 positions are identical, and 3, 4 positions are identical. Okay, and here you can see pyrrole is very reactive towards the usual electrophilic substitutions. Proton is also one of the electrophile. When it is added to the pyrrole nucleus, and here you will find 3H pyrrolium ion. 3H means the hydrogen atoms get attacking over the 3rd position. Here it is to 2H pyrrolium ion, because nitrogen is carrying a positive charge. You can see here when electrophilic attack is taking place at 3rd position, nitrogen lone pair of electrons are get involved. With respect to this, when you study about all these reactions, it is a nitration reaction. Reactions are being taking place in under the very mild condition. Otherwise, the product would undergo decomposition. Suppose if you use the concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, reaction may not be possible because the decomposition process is going to taking place. That's why when reaction is carried out in the presence of acetic acid and nitric acid, acetonitrile is going to be formed that provides an electrophile. Then you will find a 2-nitro-1H pyrrole. 1H is nothing but base hydrogen atom is on the nitrogen it is. Okay, simply you can call it as 2-nitro-pyrrole. Similarly, reaction in the presence of sulfur trioxide, it cannot going to taking place in presence of sulfuric acid. Pyridine is going to be acting as a base. It would abstract the proton from the carbocation and helps in the removal of the proton, then gives out final product. Then chlorination is also going to taking place, same situation. When the reaction is carried out with acetic anhydride in the presence of boron trifluoride, 2-acetyl pyrrole is going to be formed. This is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. It is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So you can see these important points. Pyrrole is extremely reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Already I have explained it. And it undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. And it is a very important, and moreover, the 2 substitution is more preferred rather than the 3 substitution. Other than electrophilic substitutions, under some other important conditions, suppose when iodination is taking place because of high reactivity, just like your phenol, when phenol is reacting to bromine water, it gives out 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Suppose reaction is carried out with only bromine in carbon tetrachloride, you will get the product as orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Similar to that, pyrrole is almost behaves like a phenol-like properties. When this pyrrole reacts with iodine in the presence of Ki and other important solvents, then it gives out the tetra-substituted pyrrole it is. It also undergoes coupling reaction, just like your phenol, when it reacts with the diazonium salts, coupling reaction is taking place. Here it also undergoes coupling reaction. Okay, and halides are also going to be formed, formylation reaction, where the aldehyde group is get introduced here. Okay, so these are a very specific reactions which could explained by the pyrolysis. Let us see the mechanism of nitration, because as per your syllabus you are supposed to learn mechanism of the nitration of the pyrrole. The reaction is taking place in the presence of acetic acid and nitric acid. Acetyl-nitrile is going to acetonitrile is formed, that undergoes helping in the formation of electrophile nitronium ion. Nitronium ion get attacking at the second position, preferably. Following resonance stabilizer, carbocation intermediate is formed. Later, this carbocation loses a proton in the presence of the base. You will find formation of the 2-nitropyrrole. This is a very important question they will ask in the examination. Mechanism of nitration of a pyrrole. So these steps you must write it. Okay, reaction taking place with nitric acid and acetic acid under very mild condition, that is about 5 to 10 degrees centigrade of temperature. Okay, it also react with a Grignard reagent. Then following products are being formed. When Grignard, the metal halide substituted pyrrole reacts with alkyl bromides or alkyl halides, you will get the side chain substituted pyrrole, and carbon dioxide hydrolysis, you will get a 2-carboxylic acid derivative. It also undergoes reduction under the 2 situations, zinc and acetic acid. It will give out 2,5-dihydropyrrole, and platinum and hydrogen, it gives out pyrrolidine derivative. Okay, so these are important reactions of the pyrrole. This also undergoes Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Already I have told you, it almost behaves like a phenol itself. Same, you already learned Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Reaction of a pyrrole with chloroform and KOH gives out the 2-carbaldehyde substituted pyrrole derivative. Okay, this kind of reaction is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Okay, so phenol when reacts with chloroform and potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, it would resulting in the formation of a salicyl aldehyde. Okay, instead of phenol, we have taken pyrrole. It gives out 2-carbaldehyde derivative. Okay, and what are the important applications of the pyrrole? It has a lot of medicinal values. Okay, it is used in peptic ulcer derivative. This is the moiety where you will find pyrrole derivative. Here also you will find pyrrole atropine. Okay, it is used in the management of high cholesterol and high blood pressure. You can see any medical shop and you go to ask the blood pressure tablets and cholesterol controlling, you will find the constant of this moiety it is. So this is the structure where you will find the structure of the pyrrole. So pyrrole plays a very important role. Similar to this pyrrole, furan is also undergo electrophilic substitution. Of course, it is less reactive than pyrrole, but in fact, it is also undergo electrophilic substitution at the 2 positions. Only heteroatomy is different. Okay, resonating structures are remain same. These are similar to pyrrole only. It also undergoes different set of electrophilic substitution reaction. This is a nitration, it is sulfonation, chlorination reaction, and it is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, reduction is also possible. Tetrahydrofuran is going to be formed. When protonation is taking place, electrophilic substitution followed by hydrolysis, you will get a succinaldehyde derivative. Okay, this is the mechanism of nitration of the furan. Same mechanism it is as to that of dipyral, no different. Only you should remember heteroatom is different. Okay, you can practice well by changing the heteroatom. Okay, this is the bromination of the furan, where you will get the 2-bromofuran as an 80% yield. This is a Friedel-Crafts reaction, and you will get a corresponding derivative, acetyl derivative of the furan it is. Diels-Alder reaction is one of the important application of the furan it is. Oxygen atom is being highly electronegative. As it not involved in the delocalization system, it is not very effective. But however, it is acting as a dienophile. Diene means 2 double bonds are being present. Enophile, just like your nucleophile and dienophile, one which is involved in the addition with another type of the alkene. Dienophile, okay, this is the dimethyl malate. Dienophile, diene, both are being involved in the addition type of reaction without any formation of the byproduct, without the presence of any other reagents. Direct addition is taking place, and addition product is going to be formed. In I mean, especially in the cycloalkane chapter, you have learned about the Diels-Alder type of reaction, and even the dienes you have learned about the Diels-Alder reaction in BSc second semester itself. Okay, these are the medicinal applications of the furan. Nitrofurans are being most commonly used. Antiprotozole, okay, antihistaminic properties also being found. Here you can find the furan derivative. Here is also a furan structure it is. These two are medicinal applications. Okay, thiophenes is also going to have same set of reactivity factor, and I'm not going to discuss here because as per your syllabus you are supposed to learn only electrophilic substitution reactions of the pyrrole and furan, and you should remember the aromaticity character and also compare the aromaticity character of all the 3 heterocyclic compounds, that is thiophene, furan, and pyrrole. Okay, these are the different set of applications. Here you will find thiophene structure. Here also you will find thiophene. Here also you will find thiophene structure. Anesthetic agent, thiophene structure is there. So therefore heterocycles are very, very important, and they are possessing very good kind of applications. So for whatever I have discussed in the last 2 sessions, including this one, these are all about the only 5-membered heterocycles regarding aromaticity character and preparation of 5-membered heterocycles by Paul-Knorr synthesis method, and comparative study of aromatic character of the 5-membered heterocycles. So with this I will stop it here. In the next session, that is in the 4th part of heterocyclic compounds, I will discuss on 6-membered heterocycles, that to pyridine, its aromaticity character, electrophilic substitution, and synthesis. Okay, thank you.